This is a motion-activated light switch from Leviton. The model number is ODS10-IDW. We were asked by a customer to install several of these in a house, in a number of walk-in closets, in a kitchen and a dining area. When this switch senses motion, it turns on the lights automatically, and it turns it on for a predetermined amount of time, and then it shuts off. We were very happy with the results of the switch. This is the professional version of the Decora switch. You'll find cheaper ones. For example, we started with a cheaper model from Leviton. It was the model IPS02-1LW. These cheaper switches did not seem to work. The sensitivity was overly sensitive, and particularly the switch not having a neutral wire seemed to give us some problems. We've heard anecdotally that in some LED light installations, customers needed to buy a shunt capacitor to make the cheaper IPS02 switch work properly with their LED lights. We had no such problems with the professional model, the ODS10. I suggest if you want as little headaches as possible and something that actually works and is going to be reliable, you might want to look at the ODS10. We know for a fact that this model has been on the market for several years. Seems to be pretty solid. We suggest that if you want to go ahead and save money on electricity, not worry about lights being left on, turning on when you want them and turn off when you don't want them, and especially if you're walking into a room where your hands are full and the light switch might be in an inconvenient location, having a motion sensing switch might save you some trouble and some hassle. These switches retail for about around $50 from home improvement stores, but buying them online, you can quite often get them for $30, $35 a piece. So definitely worth considering. We conclude by showing you more photos of the product and the box. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.